hello there.
Oh, hi.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you.
I'm Charlotte, the vice president of the HOA, and I just wanted to say hi. And also to make sure you got my email with the HOA handbook attached to it.
Actually, I don't think so.
It's everything you need to know about keeping our neighborhood looking and feeling splendid. And also my number's in there. So if you have any concerns or questions or complaints, you can just ring me up anytime.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. I
appreciate
that.
Okay. And if you could just read the whole thing, like ASAP, that would be great.
Are you asking me or telling me?
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Bye now. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Oh, hi.
Do you know that you violated Rule 13, Section 17 of the HOA handbook?
Hi, I'm Dom. Nice to meet you as well.
Which states that we may not leave trash visible on any part of our property.
Okay.
Did you read the whole thing?
I'll be honest with you, I haven't had a chance yet, so
You left a wrapper on the sidewalk earlier today. I picked it up for you this time, but if it happens again, then you'd better watch out. That sort of behavior is not going to fly in this neighborhood. Do not leave trash on the sidewalk ever.
Okay, got it. Thanks, heard.
Ever.
Okay, wow.
Ever!
Whoa!
Ever! Stop! I warned you, Alana. You left your empty garbage bins out overnight, thus violating Rule 36, Section 9.
I'm so sorry. It won't happen again. Oh my god. No, please!
Hey, Axel, wouldn't you say your garage violates Rule 3, Section 14159?
Hey, Archie. Don't worry about any of this. This is all temporary. You see, I'm working on this project.
Yeah, you're gonna have to die now.
No.
Ah, Charlotte. This should be fun. Hello?
Hi. I hope I didn't interrupt your evening. I just wanted to give you a special gift for all your efforts in trying to be such a good neighbor. Could you pop on down to my house? It'll be real quick.
Yeah, okay, sure. Why not?
Wonderful. See you in a few. Randali samati, shalanti mazuli krasa, wasalita, lazul lamun bezenola shul, mazakuneri, mekunai sha encanti. And now, you're going to join my collection of the dead.
Little did you know, in Portland, it's a one-party consent law. I've had you on speakerphone with my lawyer this whole time and you're being recorded.
That's right, Dominique. The document in question also states, Fun slu fakata sas, un za runtintitro, wa forth sesesfota, un slela patuta.
Yeah, in that case, I think I'd like to nominate myself as the new VP of the HOA. All in favor say aye?
No,
Anana shamba garagala padituti walu papidi boo.
Nice work, Dominique. I'll send over my invoice. I hope you read the fine print in our contract.
Wait, what?
Who was that you were talking to?
Oh, just another soulless HOA vice president.